everybody and welcome back to my channel. To people who are new here, I am Param NC, a professional makeup artist and your friendly neighbor, and I'm here to share with you 3 simple tips to perfect that smoky eye. So let's get started, okay? So now we are ready to get into the smoky eye. So I have already cleansed, toned and moisturized my skin, and I have already filled my eyebrows. If you want to see how I fill my eyebrows, the video of that will be linked in the description box. And I have filled my eyebrows a little darker, and you will know why I did that by the end of this. So the first step here is to prep your skin well. So just the way you apply your moisturizer on your face, the same way you also need to moisturize your eyes, your eyelids and your under eyes. So you can use an under eye cream, whichever one you use. Or if you do not have one, you can always use your moisturizer on your lids. So even if your eyelids are a little oily generally, still I would suggest that you first go with the moisturizer on your lids. The first tip in getting your smoky eye a lot intense is a base. So any base is very important for makeup. Base is not only for face, it is for any makeup. So you have to also apply a base on your eyelids if you want your eye look to stand for a very long time. So what I do here is I use a Nars eyeshadow base that I have. Yeah. So if you have this one, you can use this. Else you can use any primer that you use for your face. It's a very small bit that you need. You don't need too much. Just one drop here and spread it evenly. Okay. And the next thing is we apply a very teeny tiny bit of foundation. Any foundation that you use on your face, you can apply the same on your lids. So the base is created now, and now we can start doing the black color on our eyes. So here comes my second tip. So to get the intense black eye, we first need to create a base of black, on top of which the black eyeshadow will stand out much more. So what you can do is whatever eye pencil or gel you have, you can use it. So you can use a gel pot like this one if you want. This is from Maybelline. Or you could use your Kajal pencil. I use Colossal Kajal and create the base. So you just open the pencil and just create small strokes. But what we need to remember is that you create only on the small C of the eyelid. You will not go beyond that. Now, you will take a smudger brush and just smudge out the black a little bit. I am using the one from Colorbar, it's a smudger brush. But when you smudge it, you have to make sure that it doesn't go outside the eye area, as in you do not want it to go beyond this side or even the inner corner. Don't worry about blending it too much. The eyeshadow on top of it will cover it anyway. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye now. So our black base is now ready. And now we can move on to the next step of applying the black eyeshadow. What I'm using here is a Nars palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette of your choice which has a shade of black and a few colors of brown. So my third and final tip, to make the eyeshadow last a little longer, we will dip the brush in water or in makeup fixer before we use the eyeshadow. So I'm taking a small palette on which I'm spraying makeup setting spray from MAC. This is 6+. You could also use water. Just spray a little bit on the palette And I'm taking a small brush. This is the brush I'm going to use to pick the black color. So I'm just tipping it lightly. Make sure that you don't wet the brush too much. It's just lightly. And then I will pick the black color from my eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to place it on top of the black base that I've already created. So first we place this color on the eyeball and then we spread it on the rest of the black color. You can see that just by dipping it in water or in setting spray, the black color becomes really intense and it sticks on to that black base that you have created. Notice that I'm not going beyond my lid area. I am not pulling it out because we do not want that regular eyeshadow shade that we have where we create a V here. We want a semicircle. In smoky eye, semicircle look better. This by itself doesn't look complete. So we will use a blending brush like this one and pick a dark brown color. I'm using this one. But since I'm not using Fix Plus on this, I'll have to tap out the excess. And I'm going to place it on top of the black, as in the gap between the rest of the eyelid and the black color, so that it's a smooth transition and looks like a nice smoky blended look. Now I'm taking another blending brush and taking a lighter brown shade to create that more intense look. So I'm back and I've finished the rest of the face. I have also done some under eye concealing and correcting. If you need a video on that, just let me know and I'll be very happy to make one for you. So to complete this look, still the eyes don't look complete. So what we do is we again go for the same Kajal pencil that we used earlier as the base and fill our lower waterline. Then we take a flat brush like this one and then take the same black eyeshadow that we used on our upper lid and just blend the kajal a little. Now I also take the brown color that I used for blending on top and smudge that just on the outer corner of my lower lid. So after this look, you can always complete it with your eyelashes if you wish, but I usually do not apply false lashes. So I will just curl my lashes and apply mascara. Finished look here, and notice that how the simple tips that I shared help in intensifying that smoky look. The base that we created will ensure that the makeup stays for a really long time. The black kajal base that we created will give that intense color to the black eyeshadow, and dipping the eyeshadow in some setting spray or water will ensure that it stays on the lids for a longer time, and even if it does dust off, still you will have the black base that you created, which will ensure that this look will stay for a really long time. So do try this look out. Of course, practice is key. Do try practicing it by yourself, and let me know if you try this look in the comments and suggestions. And I will leave the details of the products that I used in the description box for you to have a look at. And if you like this video, do consider sharing this with your friends, and do like, share, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell button, turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching this video, and it's bye bye until